Lava Blaze 5G announced as the most affordable 5G phone in India, and its base price is set at 9,999 rupees for 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has premium glass finish and can be purchased via Amazon India. Additionally, the smartphone supports a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock. It features a 6.5-inch HD plus IPS display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The screen has a water drop notch. The smartphone houses a massive 5000 mAh battery. It offers two color scheme, glass green and glass blue colors. The smartphone sports 50 megapixels AI triple rear camera with 2K video resolution and 8 megapixels front notch camera for a superior photography experience and selfies. It runs Android 12 out of the box. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, 5G, Bluetooth version 5.1, OTG, and more. And it's powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor, has 4GB plus 3GB virtual RAM for a high-end